Hello, parents and teachers. This is a quick tutorial or refresher on how to access the practice resources from the Ohio Department of Education for the AIR test. To get there, one of the easiest ways as a parent or as a teacher or even as a student to find it is to search the phrase Ohio Testing Portal. When I do that, this link will come up, and specifically the link is oh.portal.airast.org. Once I get in there, the best link to go to is this students and families. Even as a teacher, it's a good platform to see exactly what the students will see. So I will enter there. And then here it is, the student practice test site. They will log in as a guest, as you'll see here, and that is okay. It will not save their answers just because we're logged in as a guest, but either way, it is still good for review. So I'm going to continue to sign in. And here's where I'll select my grade level. Specifically, we're looking to use this as a resource for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders that will be taking the assessment after spring break. So in this case, I'll select 3rd grade. Within 3rd grade, you will see that there are 3 different items available to practice for English Language Arts. Here's the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Within those tests, there is also a writing component that is excellent for practicing. Down here is the math resources that are available. The same is available for 4th grade and for 5th grade. And when we're on 5th grade, you'll also see available resources for science. You will see down here the OELPA practice tests. Those we could disregard. Those only apply to our 2nd and 3rd grade, so you can disregard those. Specifically, just to review, we're looking for English Language Arts and mathematics assessments for 3rd and 4th grade, and then for 5th grade, English Language Arts, mathematics, and science. I hope that helps. Please feel free to email me if you have questions at dugas@mentorschools.org, and I hope this helps.